Oh shit.
Dang.
See, I'm basically
on the bad team.
That's your team LeBron.
Let's get him, Mikey. Come on.
I am Team LeBron. I got that shit too. I'll take it off and put the other one on too.
Let's get it.
Goon Squad. Yeah. Where's game time at? Let me turn into a robot real quick.
Got an algorithm.
You would put a rondo.
Bro, if I could have algae rhythm hook me up with some fucking powers and everything, I'd do it right now.
Hey, invite me.
I want to turn into the brow. I want to be no limit hobby with robotic legs. I'm gonna be like Octane. But in 2K. You see the tabs going crazy?
Yeah, bro, I haven't played Neighborhood in like how long, bro? Like a couple months, actually. Probably since January or something.
I got you. They look like his older son, Kel from the movie.
The only days I have off are Monday and Tuesday, which means
Like his oldest one that's at college. Bro.
Here, corner. Or Tucker.
Yes, sir.
And this shit, it's like that.
I had to buy him just because I fucking don't want to miss out when they take him away.
Bro, the Space Jam Lola Bunny backpack is 20K.
Oh.
I try to give it to you, Nick. My bad.
Oh, there's shorts.
Yeah, but the
There is
Lola
short
bunnies.
King Squad?
Yeah, my shorts are short. Look at the Lola
Oh, I'm gonna
bunnies.
grab some. Good shot.
Ho, ho, ho.
Green Giant.
Good re. Good dunk. Yes, sir.
Turn off my shot meter, bro. I don't even know what
Damn.
bro, this court, midget.
In the bathroom, remember that boy?
It is him, huh?
Dang, bro. We fucking dominated these fools. Shot
Alright, we're gonna play y'all. There's a quick game.
Goon Squad.
Falcon Punch!
There we go.
For elites. Show me your dunk ability.
Oh, let's go.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's go.
Dang.
How the you saw I missed the dunk? How the fuck do you miss a dunk?
I don't know if I can. Oh wow. There you go.
Ho ho ho.
Green Giant.
Nice shot.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Oh shit.
Oh,
Dang.
that was nice.
PK fire!
Bruh.
Looking like the mascot. I was, oh shit. Just wanted to get that shit. GG.